Everyone is talking ZK, but Boundless is actually doing it. And not only doing it, they're making it sweet. They just launched Boundless Mainnet Beta. In this video, I will tell you what Boundless is, how it works, and how can you be a part of it. Hi, I'm Vanna, and I make crypto make sense. So what is Boundless? Boundless is a zero-knowledge proving system that is built to work across chains, starting on Base. It lets anyone generate ZK proof once and reuse it on different chains. So instead of building different ZK system for every chain, Boundless is making system that works everywhere. So you might be asking why Boundless skip the testnet. Most of the projects, before they go on the mainnet, they have the testnet phase where users get to test their product and earn incentives. Boundless believes that testnet doesn't reflect real incentives because testnets are full of bots, fake accounts, people farming fake points. By going live on mainnet, Boundless ensures that every boost, proof, or vote is actual reflection of demand and cost. They also want provers to earn real rewards. So instead of growing for months or doing testnet for years, like some other projects, they wanted provers to be able to earn Ethereum from the very beginning. So you might be wondering, how can I participate and why should I participate? So let's first speak about how, and then we will speak about why. If you head to Boundless site, call it signal.boundless.xyz, or you can find it on their official X. So be sure that you're clicking on the proper link and the right link so you don't get your wallet compromised, because for this one we have to connect our wallet. I'm going to use Zerion. So once you connect your wallet, the first thing that you will click on is boost the signal, and then you will click on start. To boost the signal, it costs 0.002 Ethereum, around $6-7. Let's see how much it is now. So we will click on request proof and confirm the transaction. I have already done this with my wallet that I use for everything, but I'm just doing it again to show you how it works and how fast it is. I boosted the signal, and you can tweet about it if you want to share and invite more people to boost. Last week voting, Base was the winner, and the second place was Solana and Arbitrum. You can't vote anymore because the vote has closed, but you will be able to vote again on Monday 9 a.m. EST. So you will have to wait until now to be able to receive this badge, first time voter. You can go and do other tasks. So if you click here on the progress, here we have different tiers. Let's go over that first. So we have bronze, silver, gold, and diamond, and each tier is giving you additional bonus to the token presale, which I think is really great. I'm currently at bronze level. I connected a different wallet to just show you how it works. And here you have certain tasks that you can complete to get a whitelist spot and 10% bonus. So each week you will be getting different tiers, options. If we scroll down here, you can see that this week you can complete the tasks. Actually, today is the last day for bronze, and then tomorrow the silver task will unlock. Next week after that, the gold, and diamond the week after that. So you have 1 week for each tier to complete the tasks. So for each task, if you click on details, you'll be able to complete it. So if you click on details here, I already signed with my other wallet and it won't let me sign with this one. I'm not sure why, but you can just sign here. And once you have done that, you can go back and verify. I'm not able to do it with this wallet for some reason, but basically you will do that for each task. Proof of read is just reading their white paper, selecting any part of it that you like. Let's say I want to select this sentence, and the moment you release your mouse, you will receive like a quote and you share it on your X. Once you have done that, you will come back here and verify. Again, I already done that, so I wouldn't be able to do it again. The next task is becoming boundless and following boundless on X. So you will just click here and automatically it will open your X to follow them. Unfortunately, I can't do this task neither because I already connected my socials on the other wallet. The voting is closed for now, so this step you won't be able to finish now, but you can check if you have some other stuff to finish here, like if you have some roles in Discord, or if you own Boundless NFT, or if you are in top 100 the upper leaderboard, which I have to get myself there. And if you are a prover, you can already earn from it. You just have to click here on proof and you can start proving here. There is also a leaderboard. This is obviously for people who have equipment and knowledge to do so, but I'm just sharing this as option to already start proving and earning on Boundless. I am going to leave all the links below just in case you don't want to search for them, so you can read their white paper, you can sign the manifesto, you can boost the signal and get started. If you found this video helpful and if you learned something new, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on other educational videos that I post. I'm going to share an update next week on the new task, and until then, boost the signal and stay boundless. See you in the next video.